What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out here in the garage, just chilling. So today is the day. I am gonna let you guys know what I'm doing to my car. I'll be honest, I only am doing this because I got such a good deal on this whole setup that it was kind of worth it for me. So why not send it? So yeah, as you can see, the motor is pretty much put back together on the top part, and it's waiting for some accessories. Now, in the next clip, you will see those accessories. So guys, as you can see from the previous clips, I'm going supercharged again. We got a Vortech V3 setup. Pretty much I got the full kit here. I pieced a little bit of it together, but the main portion that I got first was the bracket with the supercharger, and that initial cost of the supercharger plus the bracket for what I got it for, you guys would have bought it. So I had to do it and got that all set up. I went ahead and ordered the Vortech 3-inch MAF housing pipe that pretty much connects to the throttle body, and then it connects down to this pipe, and then this pipe connects to this pipe. Yeah, whatever, pipes connecting. But yeah, so I went ahead and upgraded that. What was cool is that the supercharger actually has an internal oiling system, as opposed to like the V2, which I think you use oil from the motor. So I think that's pretty cool, and they went ahead and added a drain line. That's good to have, because once you have the blower on the car, to service it, it's a lot easier to drain from, you know, this hose, as opposed to all the way up there, and you're spilling oil all over the place. So this came with the damn, I don't even remember, to be honest. I'm probably gonna get ranked, but this came with like the slowest pulley. I think there's like a slow pulley, a middle pulley, and then like blow your motor pulley. So this is the slow one. I upgraded to the middle one. Hopefully it doesn't blow up, but I upgraded to that pulley to make a little bit more boost, make a little bit more horsepower on the top end. So I upgraded that. I went ahead and got a big ass Mishimoto intercooler. It's got 3-inch outlets on each side. To be honest, it's gonna suck putting that on the car because it's so thick that I want to retain the crash bar and pretty much have everything fit as stock. So I'm gonna have to figure out some shit, you know, custom work, not an issue. I went ahead with the Vortech Max Flow, I believe, race blow-off valve. It was new, and it bolts up to the stock piping that I also got for a pretty good deal. So, you know, I just figured, why not? I know a lot of people use different aftermarket blow-off valves and stuff like that, but whatever. I just wanted a simple setup that, you know, was working for what I had, and just called it a day. I went ahead and got some oil. I'm gonna, you know, do a little oil change on the supercharger, and then go ahead and put that on. What you guys can look forward to is a full install of the supercharger. I know we went and did a video with Miguel's supercharger, but honestly, I feel like our quality of video and, you know, our description of everything was kind of off. We were new, and like, I want to make a more in-depth video showing everything that we're doing to the car to make it, you know, run with a Vortech V3 supercharger. We also have a lot of big things planned for Miguel's car. That's, you know, in the works, so stay tuned for that as well. The plan is 2020 to have both cars running, going to the track, everything good. Another thing I forgot to show you guys is that for this kit, you have to have the UpRev GT MAF. It's freaking expensive for what it is, to be honest, but whatever. We also got a little bit of hardware in here, a couple spacers for the bracket, all the hardware necessary for the kit, and yeah. So I do have something else to show you guys. It's in the car right now. I'm gonna get it out and show you what's up. There it is, guys. I have a 15-inch setup again. I believe I filmed the clip about the wheels and the tires, but I finally went ahead and put the tires on the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and mount them on the car, lower the rear down at least, and then see how they look. I mean, you guys have seen it before, but these Mickey Thompsons should definitely put in some work, especially at the track. So I'm looking forward to it. I love the look of it.
Piece of garbage.
All right, guys, well, we got them on the car. Lugs are on, car's lowered. Obviously, it's still up in the air. I don't know what I'm doing yet. The wheels I wanted, I think I said this already. I don't remember if I'm recording the same clip over and over, but whatever. If I am, I am. The wheels I wanted were about 3 to 4 months out, and in reality, like, not trying to wait 3 or 4 months. So I'm gonna figure out something to do in the meanwhile. Kind of sucks because I did sell the Nismos and I did like them, but whatever. It is what it is. We got the 15s on in the back. Gonna figure out something for the front. Hopefully get this car on all fours, and go ahead and install the blower in the next upcoming videos. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the content, comment, like, subscribe. Yo, need you to stop whispering over there, right? Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it all. Peace.